Hello folks, I'm Dean with Dean's Woodworking. Y'all come on in. Tonight we're going to do a shop update and just want to share with you a few things that we did this past week. On Tuesday, we released the Natural Edge bowl. Did a video of turning that bowl. Took you through the entire process. Then on Wednesday, I released a tips video. It's the first of the tips videos I've done. And I plan on doing quite a few more. This one was on cleaning the Morris taper. And the tips videos will be real short, or I'll try to keep them as short as I can. But this one kind of caught me a little off guard. I have these 3 Morris taper cleaners that I have had for years. They're in my craft supplies catalog every year, and I see them in the Packard catalog every year. So how was I to know that they're no longer available? I found a couple of alternatives that I put those links up on the tips video, but it has made me decide that I am going to go ahead and for a future video, I am going to make a Morris taper cleaner and put a video up on that, so that not only will you be able to clean your Morris tapers, but also you'll know how to make your own cleaner at that point. So you can look forward to that coming in the future. On Friday, I released the 3rd video last week, and that was on tips and techniques for natural edge bowls. And if you have any interest in turning natural edge or live edge bowls, I highly recommend that video. And if you miss 5 minutes of it, you'll probably miss 5 tips. It's just jam-packed with one tip after another, all the way from the bowl blank itself to mounting it between center, sanding and finishing, and everything in between, including some tool techniques. So hopefully everybody will get a chance to see that one. Coming up this next week, I plan on doing another tip video, and hopefully we can get the curtains video released. That's become a little bit harder to get it all together than I had anticipated, because I don't really have room here in the shop to film it. These things, I've made several different sizes of them, and it's one of those things I really need to get out in the driveway, and the weather has not really cooperated. So that will be coming out soon, hopefully this week, if not as soon as possible on that. The other thing that you can look forward to coming up this next week is the emerging goblet. So most of you folks that have been watching know that I have been doing a series on what can you make from a limb or just a common tree branch. Well, this one coming up will be an emerging goblet, where the base of it will be bark on tree limb, and then coming out of that will be a nice goblet. So hopefully everyone will enjoy that, and I think it'll be fun to do and enjoyable for you guys, and hopefully it'll get everybody back out in their shop turning. Thank you everyone for subscribing and liking the channel, and I really appreciate it. Remember, when we hit 500, I'm going to give away the mallet. So go ahead and subscribe, because you don't want to miss out on knowing when that happens. And I see that coming up pretty quick. Like I said, if you want to know when the drawing's going to be, subscribe and you'll get notification. You might want to click that little bell too, just to make sure you get notified. What do you guys want to see? You know, here I am, I'm turning and showing you guys what I like and what I want to do. I think it'd be nice for you to have a little bit of input. Tell me what you'd like to see. Or if you've got a question, ask it. I'll be more than happy to answer it on a video or in private. You know, just let me know, because that's why I'm here. That's what I'm doing, is trying to pass on the information that I've gained over the years. And I am very humbled by the amount of people that are watching, people that are subscribing, and some of the comments. Well, just make it real, okay? Okay, one other thing that I would like to show you. One of the videos that's coming up is how to make a screwdriver. And so you're going, well, it's easy. Just go buy a kit. We're going to make a screwdriver without buying a kit. This is one right here. Believe it or not, that is not made from a kit. It may be made from a disassembled screwdriver, but I got about $3 in that, folks. If you'd like to know how to make a screwdriver for $3, subscribe to the channel. You'll be notified when the video comes out. Again, just giving you folks a few things to look forward to and let you know what's coming up on the channel. Folks, thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and happy turning.